Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer USD from Binance to Coinbase. This process involves several crucial steps to ensure your funds arrive safely. We will cover selecting the correct network, obtaining your deposit address, and confirming all transaction details. It is vital to pay close attention to each stage to avoid any potential issues. By following these instructions carefully, you can confidently move your tether between these two popular cryptocurrency exchanges. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to your spot wallet. Locate USD and select the withdraw option. Here, you must choose the correct network, such as TRC20 or ERC20, which is critical for a successful transfer. Binance typically charges a small fee, often less than $1, for withdrawals. Always double-check the selected network to ensure it matches your Coinbase receiving address. Next, open your Coinbase account and find your USD wallet. Look for the Receive or Deposit button to generate your unique deposit address. This address is where your USD will be sent. Crucially, confirm that the network displayed on Coinbase, for example, Ethereum ERC20, exactly matches the network you selected on Binance. Mismatched networks will result in lost funds. Finally, return to Binance and paste the copied Coinbase USD address into the withdrawal address field. Enter the exact amount of USD you wish to transfer. Before confirming, meticulously review all the transaction details, including the address, network, and amount. Binance will then prompt you for security verification. Transfers typically complete within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.